Hey there, ever wished you could see seconds on your taskbar clock? Well, in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to enable seconds in the taskbar clock on Windows 11. Let's dive right in, shall we? To start, open up Settings on your computer. Then locate and click on Personalization from the menu on the left hand side. Next up, click on Taskbar from the options listed there. After that, click on Taskbar Behaviors and you should see some additional options appear. Don't worry, we're almost there. Now just scroll down a bit until you find the checkbox labeled Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. Click that box and voila, you're all set. Take a quick peek at your taskbar clock and you'll notice the seconds ticking away. However, if you're using a laptop, it's worth mentioning that keeping this feature on might drain your battery a bit faster. So you might want to consider turning it off. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.